World War III. It's a topic that just refuses to go away in 2024. Nuclear threats, Cold War-like preparations, war in Ukraine and West Asia are keeping the possibility of a bigger conflict alive. Add to this the prophecies by Nostradamus and Baba Vanga that Third World War could happen around this time. The topic blew up again on social media when Indian astrologer Kushal Kumar predicted that such a war was only a few weeks away. So, how close are we really to a World War III? Let me decode this for you. The Russia-Ukraine war is causing a lot of global anxiety. Western nations, especially the United States, have given substantial military aid to Ukraine to fight it against Russia. This support is crucial for Ukraine's resistance, but it also risks provoking a direct confrontation with nuclear-armed Russia. President Joe Biden and European leaders have repeatedly stated that they want to avoid a broader war. But Russian President Vladimir Putin has threatened that any direct military involvement of the West could lead him to press the nuclear button. The risk of miscalculations or misunderstandings could lead to a dangerous escalation. Despite these risks, nuclear weapons act mainly as a strong deterrent. The idea of mutually assured destruction means both sides understand the catastrophic consequences of a nuclear conflict, making it highly unlikely that either leader would choose such a path. Beyond Ukraine, the tensions between Iran and Israel are also concerning. Although they haven't directly clashed recently, their ongoing proxy battles that intensify the wake of the war in Gaza add to the tensions. Recent incidents, including attacks both on land and sea, increase the risk of accidental escalation that could draw in other countries. Despite these challenges, there are reasons to be cautiously optimistic. Diplomatic channels are still open, and President Joe Biden of the US has expressed a desire to revive the Iran nuclear deal, which could help reduce tensions in West Asia. European nations are also working hard to find peaceful solutions to the conflict in Ukraine and West Asia. These efforts haven't led to major breakthroughs yet. There is no truce either in Ukraine or Gaza yet, but the ongoing talks show a confirmed commitment to dialogue over conflict. While we can't entirely dismiss the possibility of World War III due to high tensions and the risk of miscalculations, ongoing diplomatic efforts aim to keep the peace. Here at Beyond Decodes, we explain the most complex international issues in the simplest language possible. What do you want us to decode next? Let me know in the comments.